Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we're going to show you how to get a void check in RBC app. If you don't have a Royal Bank account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put affiliate links for similar bank accounts for you to sign up in case if you're interested. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Now, sign in with your account. Once you're signed in, you will see your accounts. In this case, we have the checking account, so we clicked on it. If you have other accounts, tap on the account you want to obtain the void check for. On this screen, scroll down a little. At the lower part, you will see an option for Get a Void Check. Tap on Get a Void Check. Lastly, tap on the Download button. That's how you get a void check in RBC app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.